What's going on, you guys? This is the Fly Werx-R Flow Carbon Helmet. This is exactly what you need if you're looking for a super safe helmet with a great ventilation system, all for your mountain bike and e-bike use. Now, when it comes to helmets, there's 4 huge categories that you've got to be exceptional at to be a really great helmet. It's got to be lightweight, it's got to vent really well, it's got to be super safe, and it's got to look cool. Now, Fly has been killing it in the motocross game for a long time with their Formula helmets using the RHEON. And with this is going to give you the RHEON safety tech, all for your mountain bike use. So let's get into this helmet. Now, to start off with, we've got to talk about this shell and the venting system. Now, when it comes to this shell, this is a full 12K carbon fiber shell. This makes it super lightweight. I weighed a medium and it came in at 2 pounds, 4 ounces. That is wild. Again, in the mountain bike world, you're looking for a super minimalistic helmet to make sure that you have the comfort that you need for those long rides of pushing up and down the hill. Now, when it comes to this shell, I will tell you, Fly uses 2 different shell sizes to make sure that the profile of this helmet is as minimalistic and small as possible, regardless of what size you're using. As you look over this, you will also see an adjustable visor. You do have 2 screws on the outside that you can unscrew with either a screwdriver or a dime, as well as a center screw right here in the middle. And there's 3 different positions that you can actually click this visor into. And it does give you pretty good range to make sure that you can get the sun blockage that you need for those long rides. Now, as you look over this helmet though, we've got to talk about venting. Fly really put a ton of effort into making sure that your head could breathe and stay cool no matter how hard you're pushing. And you can tell that as you look over this thing. There are 16 humongous intake ports as you go over this helmet. Not only that, but as you look at the brow line of this helmet, there's a ton of little intake ports, but then the entire bottom section is actually mesh as well, allowing this to really breathe. And all of this stuff breathes into specific little ports that are going to really force that air right to your forehead, keeping you nice and cool. Now, allowing this to breathe out as well as it's breathing in, on the back, you're going to see 4 big exhaust ports, as well as 2 that are down here on the bottom. These things are also straight through. You can put your fingers right through them, which is wild. This is really going to help keep you nice and cool and comfortable while you're pushing your limits. Now, the next thing that we've got to talk about is on the inside of this helmet. I'll grab this little cover. First thing first, you've got a dual D-ring setup here to keep this nice and secure on your head. But inside this helmet is a nice premium CoolMax liner. This is going to make sure to wick away the moisture that you've got coming off your head, but it also has a cooling effect, making sure that you feel nice and comfortable while out on the ride. Now, you do have 3 snaps on each side to pull these cheek pads out. We'll remove this nice and easy. Nice, plush, thick pads. And then on the main headliner, you've got 2 snaps on the front, as well as 2 snaps on the back. Now, on the back, there is also just a little bit of Velcro that's going to help keep this in place. Now, a couple things that I want to point out to you while I've got this liner out, you're going to notice all the cutouts that are on this headliner. This is to make sure the air is really flowing through and around your head to keep you nice and cool. Now, I did pull this helmet on, and I'll tell you, this helmet liner gives you a nice, comfortable, snug feel. But I will tell you, if you're right on the cusp of the next size up, it is snug enough that I would likely recommend jumping up a size. I'm a medium in nearly every helmet out there, and this fit true to size. It was a nice medium, but it was a hair on the snug side. That being said, we do have our fit guarantee here at Rocky Mountain. So if you buy the size that you normally get and it doesn't fit you the way you want to, or it feels a little bit off, we cover your shipping on your first exchange both ways to get you the helmet in the size that you want. So if you need to size up or size down, or just you want to jump to a totally different brand, we'll allow you to do that with that fit guarantee. I would tell you though, make sure that helmet stays in new unused condition with all the tags on it. Now moving on from the liner into the safety tech of this helmet, this is what excites me the most about these Fly helmets. Fly uses the RHEON pucks in their helmet, and this Werx-R has 7 of them in it. Now this RHEON is a very cool material, and it helps with rotational and linear impacts. And when you're playing with it, you can see it moves quite freely. But what this does is it helps absorb that impact, making sure that it's not going to be transferred to your brain in the event of a crash. Now, on top of that, to help the RHEON technology, they've also got triple density EPS liner inside this helmet. Expanded polystyrene, it's been used in helmets forever because of its awesome impact absorbing capabilities. One thing I also wanted to point out is you can see all the grooves that they cut into that EPS. That's to allow that air to move around your head nice and efficiently. Again, just another one of those little steps that they took to make sure that your head stayed nice and cool while you're on your long rides. Now, earlier I mentioned that it's got 2 different shell sizes. Working inside these 2 different shell sizes are 4 specific EPS liners to make sure that you get the comfort and feel regardless of what size helmet you are. Now, on top of that triple density EPS, one other thing that I want to show you is as you look over the profile of the helmet, you're going to see different areas that kind of bulge out a little bit. Not only does it make the helmet look super cool, but that is there for a reason. This gives you more of that EPS in those areas that you're most likely to take an impact to in the event of a crash. Fly has done everything they can to make sure that this helmet is as safe as possible, vents as well as possible, is as light as possible, and it looks the part. I love the looks and styling of this helmet. If you want to pick up your Werx-R Carbon helmet, click on the link below. And as always, if you're looking for your place to get ready, Rocky Mountain's the place to be. I'm Trent. Thanks so much for watching.